Breath turns to frost in the cracked glass of my door. Mismatched socks, same old coat, boot prints on the floor. Kettle screams in the quiet, calendar stuck in gray. I keep counting silences till something warms this day. I need to melt the snow that covers my bare bones, a chilly reminder that I'm lying all alone. I shiver under my skin, there ought to be a way. 1,000 bitter miles until we get the warmth of May. Winter wind, you cut right through my thin walls and my worn out tomb. Winter wind, you howl and shout, will someone come and thaw me out? The clock is ticking slow through layers of white. I've taken on the season's wicked little sleight. I look into the dark across the room. The silence is golden, but also my tomb. I see a space where someone ought to be, but there's no one there to stop the freeze from taking me. The snow just sinks the thought of any sound and buries it miles underground. Winter wind, you cut right through my thin walls and my worn out tomb. Winter wind, you howl and shout, will someone come and thaw me out? One day the ice will slip from the gutters, bird song buzzing through the clutter. I'll crack the window, let it in, let it in, let it in. Winter wind, you cut right through my thin walls and my worn out tomb.